Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to host n8n for completely free. You don't need to pay a single dime. Now, there are some disadvantages to hosting it yourself. I'm going to talk about that in another video, or I'm going to leave a document below in the description file for you to read the disadvantages and the advantages of hosting n8n yourself. But if you are just starting with n8n and the 2 ways trial on the cloud version is exhausted and you want to host it yourself so you can practice more, this is perfect. But please download the document file so that you read the advantages and disadvantages of hosting n8n yourself. Now, I'm also going to teach you how to get some AI models for free. You don't need to pay a single dime when using the AI compared to when using like your OpenAI and you are using ChatGPT. The first thing we are going to do is to download the Docker app file. So we're going to go to Google and search for download of Docker app. Now this is very important. We are going to install Docker app on our Windows. When you download it, let me go to my download. When you download it, you just search for your laptop if you are using Windows and install the Docker app. Make sure that you run this as administrator because sometimes you might have issue if you just try to open the app. When you install the app, check if there's any update and update the app. I currently have the app, so I'm going to open it here. Let's open it. All right, now we have our Docker app. When you first install the app, you have to sign up. It's very easy to sign up. You can sign up with your Google account. I signed up with my Google account. You don't need to pay for now. We are going to use the free version. All right, the next we want to do is to go to github.com/n8n-io. So when we go to GitHub, here we'll see the n8n workflow. n8n is an open source software. That means you can host it yourself, you can manipulate the code, you can see the code for people that know how to code. We're going to scroll down and then you have different options here. If you want to host just n8n, you can click here and host just n8n. If you want to host n8n with some node starters, you want some template, you click this side, right? But we want to host n8n with other AI. We want access to free AI like the Ollama AI and other free to other vector tool. Here is the code. If you know how to code, you can go in here and look at the code. But we are going to come down a little bit. Now, this is what is included in this package. You have a self-hosted n8n, you have Ollama AI, and then you have Quadrant, that is your vector database. What can you build? You can build AI agents, summarize company PDF, but you can do a lot. How do you install this? I'm using Docker, currently installed Docker on our laptop. We are using Docker and I have NVIDIA GPU on my laptop. This is for people that have AMD, and then for Mac and Apple users, you come down and follow this instruction. We are using this instruction here because we have NVIDIA GPU, right? That's what I have on my laptop. All right, the first we want to do is to open our terminal. Just search for terminal, open it. We'll copy this, come here and paste it here. Now you're saying you're about to paste anyways. It's safe. We are going to paste that. Now when we paste that, we'll come down here. You can copy this. We are going to CD, but let's copy this. Let's come down, CD, then we'll paste the self-hosted AI starter kit. What this will do is going to download the model, the Ollama AI model, the Postgres, the Quadrant, and our n8n is going to download it into our laptop, and that might take a while because the Ollama AI is 3.3 gig. So I will come back when this is done. That took a while, but we are done. I think we downloaded up to like 10 gig worth of data, either 10 or 11 gig. I can't really say. The data used is going to depend on the model that you are pulling. We're pulling the latest model of Ollama. Now let's go to our Docker desktop. You see everything that we have here. These are part of the self-hosted AI kit for n8n. It's under container. Then what we can do is to come here. Now you have your n8n running locally. This is the local host 5678. If we click on it, it will take us straight to localhost 5678/setup, because this is the first time we are setting it up. So we are going to put our email here, and then we are just going to use a strong password. Then we'll click on next. I've used this account before, so maybe this might show error, I don't know. That worked successfully. Now the n8n is running on our PC. We are hosting it ourselves. As I said, there are disadvantages to this, and I'm going to leave a file for you to download to read the disadvantages of self-hosting n8n, especially locally. If you are hosting it via HostEdgar, that's another story, but now we are hosting it locally. So we can do everything here. We can create workflows. Let's add our first step. Let's add a chat trigger, or let's trigger manually. I think that will do. Then for the AI, let's click on it. Click on AI agent. Let's take this up. He added this when chat is received because we need to speak to the AI. All right, let's add a chat model. We're going to add Ollama chat model. Now, because we are hosting this locally and we downloaded the Ollama chat model when we're installing our n8n, it's part of our flow here. You have Ollama here that's running. If I click on it, Ollama is running. We are running it locally on our PC, so you don't have to pay. This is the model. You can also download additional model. We downloaded the latest model. You can go back and download additional model, but I'm not going to do that in this video. Just know that you can always go back and download additional model. If there's a latest model, you update it. But for now, we are using the latest model. The other options here, the sampling temperature, you can work on this. Let's go back and check if this is working. For the memory, we are just going to put a simple memory here. Then let's go to this AI. Tell the AI, let's go to our chat message. You are helpful AI assistant. All right, I just uploaded something simple to test the AI. Let's go down to our message and say, let's look at the document so that we know what to ask. All right, so now that we have gone through the document, we'll know what to ask. Let me ask it, when is the playground emergency kicking off? All right, so let's say, so because it's using our laptop to process the document, to think, it might take a little bit of time compared to using the cloud service. So this also depends on how fast your laptop is. If you have a very good laptop, a very fast laptop, this is going to be very fast. All right, everything is working perfectly, but it might take a while. So if we ask it question regarding the document that we have here, I just pasted this into the system message. It's going to answer it, and we don't need to pay a single dime because we are currently running everything locally. So that's how you can run n8n for free and also get all these AI agents for free. I might download different Ollama chat model because I want to try it out. I want to see which one will be fast for my kind of laptop. As I said, my laptop is not the most recent laptop in the world. So that's it for this video. I hope you've learned something. Don't forget to like this video and follow this channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.